Finding zip code for an address in India.
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about how you can find the zip code for a specific address in India. In India, a zip code is referred to as a PIN code. PIN stands for Postal Index Number, and it's a 6-digit number that identifies a specific region in the vast Indian postal system. Now let's dive into the process.
What do you need?
First, you need the complete address for which you're trying to find the PIN code. The more accurate and complete your address is, the easier it will be to locate the correct PIN code. This should include the specific building number, street name, locality, city, and state.
Using official Indian Postal Service website.
The Indian Postal Service provides an official online tool to look up PIN codes. Due to markdown restrictions, we cannot insert a link, but it is easily accessible by searching for India Post PIN code search in any major search engine. On the site, there is an option to search by address. 1. You would select the option Search by Address. 2. Enter the address you have in the provided text box. 3. Click on the search button. The tool will then display a list of possible matches. Find the one that best matches your given address. The corresponding 6-digit PIN code will be listed alongside.
Utilizing online maps.
Another way to find a PIN code is by using online maps like Google Maps. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open your preferred online map service and enter the specific address in the search bar. 2. Once the map pinpoints the location, click on the location marker. 3. A box will appear, usually on the left side of the screen, with more details about the location. The PIN code is usually listed in this information box. So, there you have it. 2 easy ways to find the PIN code of any address in India. Remember, having an accurate and complete address is key in this process. Now you can easily find any PIN code in India. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information useful.